Fronter is more than just a platform to store files. Now it's easier for educators and students to work from almost anywhere. Let's begin with the Course Cards homepage. It gives you a snapshot of your courses and most immediate tasks. You can organize, move them around, and easily edit the cards. As a teacher, you can save a lot of time in lesson planning by adding ready-to-use, standards-aligned resources in the Fronter library. Found a resource you like and want to use it in class? Simply add it to plans. Putting everything in plans means you can guide students through the lesson plan in a logical way. Plus, resources, assignments, worksheets, and everything they need is in one place, which helps them work independently and confidently. Our Google and Microsoft Office integrations make it easier to create and edit documents directly in Fronter, without having to download, save, and upload all the time. In assignments, you can make a separate copy for each student with one click, and give feedback and grade, all within the platform. What's more, learning paths allow students to work on activities at their own pace. They're designed to ensure that students understand what they've learned before moving to the next activity. Their grades are automatically entered into the Gradebook and 360-degree reports. This makes it easier to collect and keep data on student progress for reporting purposes. It's all stored in the cloud, so you can access it from anywhere, anytime. Students thrive on praise, and Fronter's messaging is great for quick feedback. You can even delete inappropriate messages, making it a safe environment for students to develop digital literacy and learn about e-safety. Work from almost anywhere with the Fronter app. Check for announcements, messages, and events on the go. The future of education is about connections, communication, and collaboration. The future is Fronter.